Welcome back to Rome Tips. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience with the service. Today, we're exploring Stash, specifically their smart portfolio offering, found at https://www.stash.com/smart. This automated investing platform aims to simplify the process of building a diversified investment portfolio, even for beginners. Stash Smart Portfolios take the guesswork out of investing by tailoring a portfolio to your specific risk tolerance and financial goals. They handle the complexities of asset allocation and rebalancing, allowing you to invest with confidence. Upon signing up, you'll be asked a series of questions to determine your investment style and objectives. This personalized approach ensures your portfolio aligns with your comfort level, whether you're a cautious investor or prefer a more aggressive strategy. Stash offers a range of investment options within their smart portfolios, including stocks, bonds, and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, providing broad market exposure. One of the key benefits of Stash Smart Portfolios is the automated rebalancing feature. This dynamic adjustment keeps your portfolio aligned with your chosen risk profile as market conditions fluctuate. It eliminates the need for manual intervention, saving you time and effort. Furthermore, Stash provides educational resources and tools to help you learn about investing and make informed decisions. While the convenience of Stash Smart Portfolios is appealing, it's crucial to consider the fees associated with the service. Be sure to review the fee structure to ensure it aligns with your budget and investment goals. It's also important to remember that all investing involves risk, and past performance is not indicative of future results. However, Stash Smart Portfolios offer a user-friendly platform for individuals looking to start investing or simplify their current investment strategy. With its personalized approach, automated features, and educational resources, Stash empowers users to take control of their financial future. They claim to make investing accessible and manageable for everyone, regardless of experience level. Be sure to check out the link in the description and let me know what you think in the comments below.